everyone, it's Ella Jo T here and welcome to your lower body Barre Basics workout. So today we're going to go through a simple routine that's going to involve all of the different basic ballet positions and we're definitely going to feel the bar burn. Are you ready? Let's get started. So I want you to start in your first position. Draw your heels together and your toes apart, making a small V-shaped position with your feet. Remember the bar posture tips. So zip from your pubic bone all the way up to your chest muscles. So feeling nice and tight through the belly, dropping your tailbone right underneath you, putting the shoulder blades down into their sockets and lifting through the crown of the head and lengthening through the back of the neck. So just standing in your bar posture, you should feel your body's energy. From here, hands on the hips, drop it down and lift. Down and lift. So when you look, the tailbone goes straight down towards the heels. The chest stays lifted, the core stays nice and strong. So we're not swaying through the low back. We're staying connected and lifted and strong. Good, down and up. Down and up. Let's go for 4 right here. 3, 2. I'm going to add a move. Watch this. We lift the heels, lower, down, and up. Good. Lift, lower, down, and up. So, forcing you to really find that balance, to really stay strong through the center of the body, down and up. Good. Lift, lower. Now relax the toes. Find your balance on the balls of your feet, and then push those toes down into the floor as you move. Good. Now hold it right here, just the heels. Go up and down, up and down. Yes, whoo. We're waking up the calf muscles here. We're keeping a nice tight squeeze through our glutes and then finding that balance by keeping our core strong and connected. Lift and lower. Good. 4 more right here. Go 4, go 3, 2, hold those heels up nice and high. Fire up your calves, your thighs, your glutes, your core. Arms come forward. We just balance and hold. Good. 8. 7. Breathe. 6 more counts. Elbows nice and high. You have 4. Lift through your chest. 3, 2. Drop the heels down. Now we open. Right foot open, squeeze, close. Open, squeeze, close. Open, squeeze, close. Good. So I'm drawing the heels together, nice big wide step, inner thighs fire as we open, squeeze, close. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, great, great, 4, nice, 3, 2, hold the open right here, hold, hold, it's up and down, good. So I just want to go to the side so you can really see that stack of the hips and shoulders and ears stays the same. The knees drop over the center of the feet, the tailbone drops straight down. Good, good. 4, 3, 2, hold low, good. Heel lift and lower, lift, lower. So you're working with that right heel that was moving the whole time. 4, arms are wide. 2 more here. Hold that heel up nice and high. We drop down an inch and lift. Down an inch and lift. So you're starting to feel those thighs. Bring some heat to that party. Inner thighs are working. Outer thighs are working. Small bum muscles working. You have 4. 3. Good. 2. Then find your tiny little pulses. Little pulse. I'm getting a little shake in this leg. That's a good thing. That's my body telling me I'm pushing it right to its edge. The good edge. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Push all the way up. Nice job. Now that right foot's gonna come slightly in front of you. So when you look on the angle here, front heel is cutting this back foot in half. We're about 3 inches in distance. Bar posture is engaged. Plie down and up. Good. So weight is distributedly evenly in both feet. Down and up. Good. down, and up. Notice how this feels slightly different as you squeeze those inner thighs together. Zip up through your core. 4, lift, good. 3, 2, hold it right here, little pulses. Pulse down, down. So we're pushing the heels into the ground. We're pulling the knees over the center of the feet. We're gonna start to feel those outer thigh muscles engage to help us hold this position. Hips are forward. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, hold it right here. New move, plie down, kick forward. Down, kick forward, good. Kick. Now if kick off the ground is too much, we'll just point the toe to the floor. Point, good. Or kick, you decide. Kick, lead with that inner thigh. Lengthen through the feet, good. Just 2 more. Hold it right here. Lift and lower. So really want that thigh to turn out. 3, good. 2, and then little pulses. So I want you to find your balance. Little lift, little lift. The leg doesn't need to be high. There just needs to be energy to the toes, energies down towards the floor, and then lifting to the sky. Final 8, 7, 6, you got it. 4, 3, back to that 4th position plie. Down and up, good. Whew, now feel it. Do you feel it? 4, 4, good. So reset that posture. 2 more here. And pulses, please, we pulse. Down low, good. So that pulse is a chance for you to really reset those hips. Hold those knees back, use the muscles, not the momentum here. In 4, 3, now it's your back leg that's going to kick. We take it down and up. I'm gonna take my arms out. This is gonna help me with the balance. Again, if you want, it's plie, toe to the ground. Nice long leg. Fire up your big bum muscle and your hamstring. 4, up, 3, up, good. 2, hold it here, lift and lower. So there's a slight bend forward, slight micro bend in the front knee, long line from the crown of the head down to those toes. You got it. 2 more here. Now find your balance, find it, pulse. So it's a squeeze. Squeeze your bum to pulse, lift, lift. 8 more, let's go. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, shake out those legs. We're gonna come back to that start position. Heels together, toes apart. Roll those shoulders back, find that strong bar posture. Left leg is going to move out. Are you ready? Take it down. I think we had some arms right here. Open, squeeze, close. Open, squeeze, close. Good. So your right side is your stabilizing side. Your left leg is moving. You're breathing deep. 4, good. 3, 2, hold it right here. Down and up. So it's a nice big plie, squeezing the thighs together, lifting through the center of the body. Lift, lift, lift. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Feel that body working for you, not against you. Let's go. 4, up, 3, up, 2, hold your plie, left heel lift, up and down, good. Do you feel those arms working? It's because you're holding them up. Elbows stay high, shoulders stay relaxed. I just snuck those in for you there. 2 more here. Heel stays nice and high. High, pulse, down, 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 good. The lower you plie, the more into those muscles you're gonna get. Take it. 8, 6, 4, 3, come all the way up. Well done. Left leg this time comes in front of you. So I'm gonna move on to the angle so you can see this here. So your 4th position, shoulders back, chest is lifted, take it down and up and down and up. That's it. Tailbone goes right down, knees over the center of the feet. Those are your guidelines. That's your strong bar posture. Keeping that core tight. Can we pulse it out? Little pulses, little pulse. So when you actively think about your thighs engaging, your glutes engaging, your muscles working, not your knees stressing, right? You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, front leg lift and lower. We plie down and lift. Down and lift. Again, you have the option to come to strong, tall standing. Point that, stretch that foot in front of you. Down, lift, down, lift. Good. 4, 3, 2, hold it right here. It's lift and lower. Again, the lift doesn't need to be high. It just needs to be connected. You need to feel your muscles working. Gotta feel that bar burn going. 2 more here. Now find your balance, pulse it out. Little lift, 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 lift. Woo, that's a tough one. Take my arms out here. Good. 8, 7, 6. Keep stretching through that inner thigh. 4, 3, 2, and back to plies. Take it down and up. Good. Woo. I'm really starting to feel that bar burn. Feeling my body, working hard. Hope you feel it too. Let's go 2 more here. Little pulses, please. Good, little pulse. Press. So when we get tired, we start to fall out of alignment, kind of have everything in the wrong place. So get that tailbone underneath you. Keep lifting through the chest, zipping up through your front body, shoulders relaxed. Back of the neck is long. We take it to open. To open. Good, I can keep my arms out. That's gonna help me keep my balance here. Elbows high, shoulders relaxed. There's no tension from the chest up. It's just lift and lengthen. Good. 4 more. 4, up. 3, option. 2, let's hold right here. Lift an inch and lower. So that line is long. That squeeze is deep through the booty. 4, that core is tight. 2, here it is. Final set of pulses. 16, 15, 14. Feel that lower body heating up and shaking up. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Come back to center. Ooh, shake it all out. My goodness, that was a really great bar burn. Quick stretch here. Coming into a high lunge. Take a big step back with your right foot. Drop your right heel down into the floor, feeling a nice stretch in the back of the calf muscle. This front knee stays over top the ankle. Nice deep focused breath. Feel the stretch. Feel that bar buzz too. I like that part. From this position, you're gonna draw your feet together, find your balance, draw your heel to your seat. I like to extend the opposite arm here, draw the knees together, and if you pull your tailbone underneath you, you'll get an even deeper stretch in the front of the thigh. Awesome. Release that leg, and then take your front toes towards your shins, sit back into your hips, get a nice stretch in that hamstring muscle. Find that breath, keep releasing, keep relaxing, stay in your body, come all the way up. We'll stretch on the other side. Left leg back behind you, drop that left heel down into the floor. Ooh. I like to get really intentional with my breath and my stretching, just so I know I'm releasing and relaxing all of that work and letting my body do the recovery. Step together here. Find your balance. So find a focus slightly in front of you, maybe down towards the floor. Drawing the heel to your seat. Bring the knees together, scoop your tailbone. Opposite arm reaches to the sky. That's gonna help with that focus and balance. Good, good, good. Breathe, breathe, breathe for 4, 3, 2, and release. And then shifting your weight back into your back foot. Front toes come towards you. Ooh, this is a good stretch. Awesome job. Step together, take a forward fold, and then round up through the spine, one vertebra at a time. Well done, everyone. That is your workout. Hope to see you back at the bar again soon.
Hey Bar Babes, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Barre Fitness YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a workout, and we will see you back at the bar again soon.